How to use Skipfish for web application security testing. In today's video, we're going to explore Skipfish, a powerful web application security testing tool. Let's get started. Installing Skipfish. First, let's install Skipfish on your Linux system. For Debian-based systems like Ubuntu, use the following command. For other Linux distributions, you can download Skipfish from its official repository and follow the installation instructions. Running a basic Skipfish scan. With Skipfish installed, you can run a basic scan on your web application by executing the following command. The duration of a basic Skipfish scan can vary widely based on several factors, including the size and complexity of the website being scanned, the number of pages, and the performance of the server where the scan is being conducted. For a small website, it might take just a few minutes, while for a larger, more complex site, it could take several hours. Interpreting the scan results. After the scan completes, Skipfish generates a detailed report in the output directory. Key areas to focus on include high-risk vulnerabilities, immediate security threats, medium-risk vulnerabilities, potential risks that need attention, low-risk vulnerabilities, minor issues that could be addressed. Detailed analysis of Skipfish report. Let's take a closer look at the Skipfish report. For each vulnerability, Skipfish provides specific details and possible solutions. For example, this file is flagged as interesting because it might contain a delimited database dump. The presence of such information in a JavaScript file could indicate a potential data leak or security misconfiguration. Incorrect or missing charset, higher risk. The file at this URL is flagged due to an incorrect or missing charset. This issue is considered higher risk, because specifying the correct charset is essential to prevent certain types of security vulnerabilities, such as cross-site scripting, XSS. Automating Skipfish scans. To regularly test your web application, consider automating Skipfish scans. You can set up a cron job to run Skipfish periodically. This example schedules a Skipfish scan every day at 2 a.m. Conclusion and final tips. Skipfish is a valuable tool for securing your web applications. By regularly scanning and addressing vulnerabilities, you can protect your site from potential threats. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit the bell icon for more cybersecurity tutorials. Share your thoughts or questions in the comments below.